Okay guys, I wanted to do this for a while. This thing gets super hot. Anyways, I've already put some little mini heat sinks on it. I ordered a bigger one, but anyways, hopefully it does better than nothing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the temperature of it now. Let's see what the ambient temperature is. So, room temperature, 20 degrees about. Yeah, 20.6. So, test, that's 20.6 C. So that's at room temperature. So now what I did is I set my timer for 5 minutes. I'm gonna plug the video transmitter in. And we're gonna see what's happening, how hot this little puppy gets. There it is, it's on now. Don't forget, it's in standby mode. It's like at 25 milliwatts right now. See, it's already going up. You guys see it? 21.8, 0.9, 23, 24. So yes, let's set the timer. Let's do it for 3 minutes because I really don't want to overheat this thing. 24. So just let it run for 3 minutes. I can already feel it getting hot to the touch. Then what we're gonna do, let it cool down. I bought this little mini fan. Actually, you know what? We can just let it keep running. And I'll put this fan on it. We'll see what it does, if it does anything. I'm just curious to see if it's gonna lower anything. It's I don't know if you guys see it. Super tiny fan for computers and stuff. Anyways, I picked that up today. And I also have a big fan that's used for a furnace. It's about this big. And I usually use it when I bench test just to put it on there. Test it again. 25, 27, 32, 33, 33, 33. I'm just gonna keep letting it go. Don't worry, I'm gonna edit this out. I won't keep you guys bored with this. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put, as soon as it gets up, as soon as it's been 3 minutes, I reset the timer, gonna keep it going, and put the little mini fan on, see if the temperature goes down. If that doesn't work, I'm gonna put the big fan on it and see if that brings the temperature down. It's not connected. 45, 46 degrees. 45, 47. So the hottest part of the board is 48. Okay. So we're 48 degrees at the hottest part. Let's put the little fan on. Oopsie. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Actually, that's blowing down. There we go. So 3 minutes, 48 C. So 40 degrees Celsius. Put the fan onto it, see what it does. Wait for 3 minutes. Five, 43, 42, seems to be going down. 32, yeah, it looks like the temperature's going down. I was actually thinking about taking one of these fans and permanently installing it on the top, but if this works, it's going to be a good way when I test out my my plane when it's plugged in. I just try to get myself a little setup like this, put the fan on top just to keep it cool. Just runs off a normal battery. $39. We have 48 before. It's almost 10 degrees lower. That same spot. 8 degrees, I'd say roughly. It's 8 to 10 degrees lower, some spots. 27. Wow. Oh yeah, it's 32, 30, 40. So it's almost 20 degrees lower here. Wow, that makes a huge difference. 32, 34. That's still hot compared to 48. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pull it off quickly at 3-minute mark, and we'll take a quick temperature reading. Oh, and by the way, the plane has been rebuilt since I crushed it on the ice. It's like new, brand new. It's you can't even tell it's been damaged. It's in perfect condition. So I just got to fly it again. I had to redo the battery tray; it cracked, and I made a better one, more solid. Okay, we got 1 minute left. What are we at? The place where I had the highest temperature was right there. So we're at 30, you'd say 34 roughly. 33, 34. So 34 to 48. There we go. So 3 minutes. Done. Okay, let's take a quick temperature reading. So 34 degrees. We're at the hottest part where it was before. So 34. So after 3 minutes, with the fan, with the mini fan, equals 34C. Okay, so that's done. Let's move this out of the way. Now we're gonna take the other fan. You guys will see it, I'll show it to you. So this is how it would be if you were flying the aircraft. Start the timer. So after 3 minutes with large fan. Oh, you'll see what kind of difference it makes. So just let me show you this, what I did here. So I have this like a little, you have your smoke stopper here. So I'm just using a regular, what is this, all-line lithium-ion battery. And it goes to a UBEC, which I use for testing, programming radios and stuff like that. But I have different connectors I put on the end of this. So it goes to another one, little 5-volt one. And it tries a little mini fan. Look how tiny that thing is. I don't know if you guys see it. Look how tiny that is. Cute. I just received these today. So, and it seems to work. It drops it by almost 14 degrees. So, we'll see. We'll see. The next step is letting this thing run for 3 minutes. Let me get all this stuff out of the way. So this, I'll leave that here. It's part of my test rig. This, I can unplug that. This can go back here. Let's see what the temperature's at. .33 degrees. The hottest part was 40. 40.8. Wow, look at the difference. The little mini fan sitting right on top. It's cooler to the touch. The little mini fan sitting on the top is actually cooler than this fan blowing air. And this is blowing a lot of air, quite a bit. Let's keep it going. Let's cheat a little, put the front end down, get it more airflow over the top. Electronics like to be cool, they don't like to be hot. If you make it too hot, you're gonna have a big problem there, my friend. Let's try it again. This was at the hottest part, so at 39 degrees, 39, 40, 38. Oh yeah, big difference. Big difference. The little mini fan works great. It's actually more efficient than the big fan. What was that? You know what? We're going to, I think we're going to unplug this plane. I'm going to do one last test. Yeah, 1 minute. Let's pull this away. check the temperature, and I'm gonna plug that plane. I don't want to take a chance of taking off on me or something. 40 degrees. I don't know if you see that, guys. 42 degrees. I'm just gonna plug this. So we're looking at 42 degrees Celsius. Okay, so conclusions. By itself, after 3 minutes, before the test started, we were at 20.6 degrees, so room temperature. After 3 minutes, just letting it run like this, it came up to 48 degrees Celsius. I'm sure we got a lot higher than that if I let it go. Then we used the little mini fan, the little tiny one, this little tiny thing right here, and it came out to, it dropped it down to 34 degrees Celsius, which is not bad at all. It's like a nice hot summer day. So this option worked really, really well. Having it sit on top of these fins like that and blowing down worked beautifully. And then we did another test right after that with the large fan, which I don't know if you guys can see it. This is it, a large chef stove fan. Use that. And that gave us a result of 42 degrees Celsius after another 3 minutes. There's nothing scientific about it. It's just, I want to try it, see what it is, and it works perfectly. So I think from now on, wherever I'm tinkering with my plane, I'm going to use that little mini fan. It seems to work the best. Or the best thing to do is when it's on the bench, just pull the connector here so this is not driving, because you don't want to overheat these things. It's a good way of damaging them. Anyways, guys, that's it. Just thought I'd show you that. Take care. Have a great day.